installation of the bracket. Connect the 3/8" panel inlet pipe to a drop ear elbow. Then connect the water supply. Secure the drop ear elbow. Then install the bracket by securing each corner of the bracket with at least 2 number 8 1 1/2" screws per corner, and 2 of the 4 holes in each corner first. Finally, deburr and clean the inlet pipe. This will prevent any hex nut onto each of the leveling nuts. Place a level across the shower unit and adjust the leveling nuts until the unit is level. Ensure the back of the unit is still contacting all 4 leveling nuts. Use a socket wrench to hold the leveling nuts in place while tightening the hex nuts with an adjustable wrench until the foam gasket is compressed. Do not over-tighten the hex nuts. Check that the foam gasket is compressed between the shower unit and the drop seal. If there are any visible gaps, fill them with 100% silicone sealant. Turn off the water, then install the quick connect elbow to the copper inlet pipe. To install the rain panel tread, start by connecting the 4 corners to 2 of the edge pieces with the provided hex wrench and set screws. Partially thread the other set screws into the 2 remaining edge pieces. Then slide one of the edges with corners onto the end of the panel. Slide the 2 edges with corners onto the sides of the panel so they fit into the corner pieces. Finally, slide the other edge with corners onto the other end of the panel. Tighten all the set screws securely. Move the rain panel into place under the shower unit. Using a flat blade screwdriver, turn the corner fasteners from the unlocked to the locked position. Then secure the panel by pressing the fasteners upward until you hear them click into place. Use a 3/16" hex wrench to install the center fastener. Do not over-tighten. To complete the installation, place the logo cap over the center fastener and the 4 covers over the corner fasteners. Test the rain panel by turning on the water. After about a minute, the deluge function will be ready to go. Press and hold the push button for at least 1 second to activate the deluge function. Periodically, you will need to clean the filter on your real rain panel. To do so, remove the logo cap and unthread the center fastener using a 3/16" hex wrench. Then, gently pry the covers off the corner fasteners. Use a flat blade screwdriver to turn the corner fasteners 90 degrees to the unlocked position and remove the rain cap from the shower unit. Unthread the filter cap and remove it from the unit. Remove the felt and screen filters from the cap. Set the felt filter aside, then rinse out the screen filter and the cap. Filters that came with your product. Replace the felt and screen filters, then reinstall the filter cap